Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again, and today we are going to talk about office table cable management. If you see here on my work table I have two laptops and one monitor here, and you see a lot of wires everywhere, so which doesn't look good. And let's take a scenario where I'm charging my two laptops. I have two plugs there, 5 pin plug, and then I cannot use my monitor. And let's say I have to charge my mobile, I cannot put there. So today we are going to do the office table cable management. I will show you how can we manage the all the wires and all from the office table. So let's get started. So I took this measurement and divided these wiring strips in pieces with these measurements, and I screwed one here and one is here under this panel where some space is there. So and then we can one we can put here. This is the extension cable. And one we can put it back. So I installed it here, and if you see here, there is one small shelf where I have put one extension board, so I can plug here 4 items at a time. But after some time I did not like this setup because everywhere it was highlighting in white color. Either I will have to wrap it or I will have to paint it with this same color. So I will remove these. I installed it because I did not want to make any drill here on this side of the table, but now I will be doing that. Today this